Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to enable the passcode lock in line. Now let us begin. Initially, all you guys have to do is just go to settings. At the top right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now. Once you do that, you will be redirected to this page. Well, do note that there are lots and lots of options. But right now, all you guys have to do is simply go to privacy. It is under the personal info section. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. The very first option that you're gonna see is this thing called as passcode lock. Simply enable this button right here. Now it's gonna ask you to enter a passcode. I'm simply gonna enter it right now. Once you do that, it is just gonna ask you to confirm it once again. And that is it, guys. As you guys can see, that is how you enable the passcode lock in line. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.